Welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we'll be doing today, so just keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm gonna go in to prime my eyelids with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Biscuit. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Alright, so my first shadow that I'm going to use is from the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Palette. And I'm going to go in with the color, I'm going to do Mousse as my transition color. And then I'm going to go in with Peanut Butter. This is Mousse. I love using these palettes. They smell like chocolate. They smell like chocolate. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into my Revolution Rose Chocolate palette. Oops. These are the colors, so beautiful. Also pigmented, and they just blend, you know? They just go together. So I think I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, I was gonna say there's no name on here, but there is. So this one, hold on, because it comes like this, the names, and because it fell out, I didn't. All right, so I have it. The color that I'm gonna go in with is So I'm going with in my outer corner. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Side Chick and see if she can help me out. See if she can give me some color. So this is not a name brand one, it's just Simple Pleasures mascara that I'm using. Still does the work, you know? So the lashes I'm using today are the Malia Lashes from my local beauty supply store. And I used it in my last tutorial, but it is my favorite everyday lash. It's just, it looks minkish, but it looks real, you know what I mean? It looks natural. And I don't wear lashes and then throw them away. I reuse my lashes. I do. So once I take them off, I make sure I put them in a container or somewhere, you know, where I can put them up so they don't dent, so they don't get a dent or anything like that. They don't get damaged, they don't get lost and mixed up in powder. So what I'm doing right now, this is the lash. So what I'm doing right now is just taking off the old glue with my nail. Did y'all see my nails? I love my nails. I love my nails. But anyways, yeah, I'm using my nails to take off the old glue. I'm using my nails and it's done. See? It is done. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the SmashBox Photo Finish Primer. Just a little bit goes a long way. It really does. Alright, so I'm gonna go in my rice powder, and the rice powder I use, The rice powder I use is this one. I got it from Amazon. And actually, I can leave the link down in my description box. But this is the rice powder I use. And I just put it in the areas that I get really oily in. So the foundation I'm using today is the Maybelline 24 Hours foundation, and it looks like that. The cap's right here, excuse me, but it looks like that. And it is in the color Taffy Caramel. So the concealer that I'm using today is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Caramel. It looks like that. Has a little fuzzy top. And this is probably like my 10th one that I bought, but the only thing I don't like about it is to get it going, you have to keep twisting and twisting and twisting before it come out. See?
Many hours later.
Alright, I'm gonna dab it. See? I dab it on my hand, and there it goes. There she goes. There she goes. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dab under my eye. Alright, need more. Come on. I love this thing. And because I love it so much, I'm patient. You know? There you go. See? Patience. Usually I let my concealer sit for a bit before I blend it out, but because this concealer in particular, it dries really quick, I didn't have to sit, and it's already a mattifying concealer. Alright, so for contour, I'm just gonna go in with Suede Mocha from Black Opal. And instead of marking, what I'm gonna do, like so, and then I'm gonna contour. When you do this, there's not as of a sharp line. When you do it this way, everything just comes together. Going back in with Biscuit from Nars. Dab, 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 literally. Dab, dab. That's it. It's it. So let this one soak in for a second. Alright. That's it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Press Powder. This is the powder that I talk about in every tutorial because of my oils. So I'm going in with 230 and I'm going to dab it. And I'm patting, I'm not sweeping or anything. When that's finished, I'm going to go in with 330. It's the darker one. Same brush, Same brush. So I just put a little bit, or probably a lot of bit. Oh goodness. I'm gonna put some here. And I'm gonna go in with a beauty sponge. And Bic. So I'm going in with J223 Round Buffer Brush from Juvia's Place. I'm just dabbing. And I'm just gonna bronze up. Alright, so now I'm going in with my second holy grail, my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Mahogany. And this I mentioned in the last video. This is my all over powder. And I use this to sweep away the baking as well. And I'm using the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. This just gives your eyebrows an extra edge. So I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics comb and brush for your eyebrows. And I'm just going to brush up the beginning of the eyebrow so it looks faded in. The blush palette that I most commonly use from my local beauty supply store, Ross, is this one. It doesn't have a name really, just Beauty Treats Matte Blush Palette. And I use this one a lot. So this reminds me of my favorite MAC blush, which is Blunt. And I'm going in that same brownish red. The highlighter that I'm using today is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And this is in the color 150 Malted Peach. I'm going to just dab it. Look at her. And with me and highlighting, I like to put some on my forehead. I'm gonna take some on my finger. It's so creamy. Like it's just smooth. I'm gonna put some on my nose. And I also put some here. I'm gonna go in with Reveal from Boxum. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but this is how it looks. I got it from Sephora, and the color is Reveal. Oh no. No. Felt that. With any lipstick, anything like that, even gloss, I always put on chapstick. You have to keep your lips hydrated. So on top, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this color is in London. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to go back in with Malted, what is it? Malted Peach, my highlighter. So I'm going to go back in the Micro Smooth Mahogany. It's a little tab. And touch up the brow bone. Lashes. I'm going to use my favorite mascara. It's the Bad Gal Mascara from Benefits. And I just love this one. So I'm going to go in with my Revolution Pro Fix. Alright. there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow for another upload. Bye.